Hi, as many of you know, I'm Marina and welcome to my brand new website. Let me give you a little tour on my new website so you can find your way around and start paying. So to sign into your classes, you go to sign in, which leads you to this page, the login page. You can log in with your email address, the email that you used when you bought the class. If you created a password when you bought the class, you can use it here. If you didn't, you can click this button, email me a sign-in link, and the link will be sent to your inbox. Open the email we sent you and you will land on this page, My Classes. So under My Classes, you will find all the classes you bought from me in the past. The free classes, the mini classes, and the full classes. If you're going to be a member of my Texture Lab, then under My Classes, you will find the mini class library, the Texture Lab classes, and the full class library. These classes are only included when you're a member of the Texture Lab. So if you want to explore more classes, you go to classes and you will find all my classes, the quick and easy classes, the in-depth classes, the Texture Lab, and the free classes. If I'm new to me, I encourage you to start with a free class. This one is in textured acrylics and this one is in cold wax and oils. Just come and paint with me and see if my teaching style suits you. So on the page, you will see what we're going to do together and where it will take you. So if you're inside the class will look like this. Let's get started and then you will have all the next lessons and the videos that are in English but translated in Dutch and French, which you can switch on in settings, subtitles, and then your French or English settings. Here's your account, and if you're a member of the Texture Lab, you click on your member area and you land in the Texture Lab. So this is the homepage of my Texture Lab. You will have a warm-up session, a Texture Lab magazine, a creative path, and lots to explore. Platform. So that's a tour of my new platform. Try a free class if you haven't already, and I'm looking forward to paint with you. Bye for now.